Hello, welcome back to LIVENODING. In this episode, I'm gonna try to do a bit of improvisation. Basically, I saw this cover of this Casiopea jazz group, and then I really like this cover. It looks very procedural in a way that this street road, is like crisscrossing, and I was thinking maybe we can kind of recreate it in Blender using Sverchok Add-On. But the idea is really just to make like some kind of random 45 and minus 45 degree to make this kind of crossing, and then kind of to make sure each one of the street road is almost is like slightly randomized in terms of position as well. So I thought this is kind of a nice exercise. So I will start from scratch so we can all kind of understand the procedure. So I'll save this SV Casiopea road, and I will start with a box and viewer draw. The box itself is very versatile, even though it's like it's normal box with six-sided polygon. You can always just get rid of the top, for example, and get rid of the side, and you can get a quite interesting result. And for this one, for the street, I will actually use just matrix apply and scale the box. You saw me doing this a couple of times. So we simply pipe in into the scale, and we can scale it in the X directions, and to make it flatten, we can use scale it in the Z, slightly flatten. So we have this kind of plank. This can represent the road. If we get rid of the top and the side, let's see how it goes. So the idea is this is like just a horizontal plank, but we want to make it 45 degree or something. So we can use this minus 45 or 45 degree. Okay, so that's kind of super handy. All we need to provide is a list input. So it's a floating number. So it's either 45 or 45 minus 45 degrees. So either of these two should go in there. And this list length should be 1. So either or, you can use a list item. So level 1 or level 2. Sometimes this can be slightly confusing. Okay, there you go. That's a kind of like input branching, either 0 or 1, either minus 45 or 45. And the way we can randomize it is using random number. So this number either 0 or 1, and let's make it size 10 for now. Everything is just 10 numbers. So we have actually 10 number being generated. You can see here 10, and I'll make it more clear by using this line. This line should go up 10 times, maybe in the z-axis. So the plank should go like this way or that way. I think this is kind of correct. I might do it the wrong way. Yeah, I think this is correct. So we can still control the length of the plank and the thickness of the plank. We can control how this kind of pile up. What's probably the thing that's make this doesn't work is this data, H polygon data. Probably need to use a list repeater 10 times. And I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, so this is the setup basically. But instead of using list repeater, sometimes you want to just use a matrix apply and pipe in the vertices and polygon face, and the matrix go there, and in the end we have a single object with all of the data correctly vectorized. So yeah, that's the idea. It's very simple actually. Number of vertices. I'm gonna make this more parametric. So this is a integer of 10. This one also can go in here. So now we have this kind of design. With the image, let's see. So that's kind of the idea. I think if you want to make this more like the CD album cover, maybe we need to also randomize. I think we can go like to orthographic view like that, and maybe reduce the stepping. Might actually randomize it in the X and Y as well. So X and Y should be controlled by the location. So random vector 10 as well. I'll pipe in this number. This thing can go into the locations. So it's randomizing the street and the road crisscrossing. Okay, and also if we want to, currently random vector is randomizing it in all X, Y, Z directions. Maybe we just want it in the X and Y because the Z is already controlled. So the way to do that is to use rewire. Actually, not rewire. We just use a vector out. Oh yeah, rewire will actually work as well, I believe. Just zero out the Z. So now we have this kind of crisscrossing of road, and they're all in the different level. They will never touch unless we want it to, and we can have as many detail as we want, like increase it maybe like 100 times. See, now we started to get this kind of a very nice design, crisscrossing. It's almost like that, even though this is like still just a plank, but I think this has potential. You can always change the plank into like something like small, like a road, street road, you know, and add some cars. Yeah, I think we're getting there, but this is just an idea how you might approach this kind of design problem. Yeah, quite like this. Let's just call this Casiopea roads. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this live loading. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Let me know what you think. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.